Yo, what's up, everyone? My name is Andrew Warren, and as you can see from today, we had a fantastic stock market day. I made a decent amount of money. As you can see, we are up about 1.89% in total if you include after hours, and that equals about $1,300. And as you can see, it was pretty much a consistent move upwards today with a few downturns here and there just at like 935, and then we had one at 155. But pretty much we ended the day higher than we started it at, which is always a great thing. I know on like Monday and Tuesday, I believe, we were starting out pretty high and then ending under the market or just a little bit lower than the start point. So any day that is positive that we start out higher than we began with, that's always a good solid day in my book. And I will say it's definitely getting strange right now with the current market situation and then the news situation we have going on surrounding events and stuff like that. I know over the past few weeks I've been saying that the market is not really matching what is going on currently, but I've kind of just gotten to the exception stage where I just basically accept what is happening and then continue as usual and just simply dollar cost average and stuff like that. As you know, if you saw my video yesterday, I just purchased $555 of Microsoft stock, and that was pretty much since I didn't invest any in April, and I like the dollar cost average a lot, so at least like $500 invested per month. That's pretty much how you do it, and as many people know, you can't consistently predict the market, so dollar cost averaging is always a good way to continue with your investments and then still end up on top with some pretty nice gains in the long term. That's how you become a millionaire. Simply just dollar cost averaging $500 every month until you're like 60 years old, and all of that compound interest will help make you a millionaire, and that is actually true. Go ahead and look it up. Compound interest calculator for investing $500 per month at a growth rate of 10% every year for about 40 years, and that's $1 million. It's as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. Easy. Investing is so much easier than people realize. People try to make it difficult, but it is super simple. In my opinion, you can invest in a stock like VOO or some index fund like VTSAX. It's as simple as that. You get a pretty solid 10% every year, unless there's a stock market crash, but regardless, on average, you gain about 10% per year in the stock market with a stock like VOO. So it's super simple if you want it to be. If you want to have a super safe option of just 10% per year, you have options like that as well. So investing is pretty simple, and that's why dollar cost averaging is also relevant to this whole situation of is the market overpriced and whether it's actually representing our current situations in real life currently. Regardless of all of that nonsense, dollar cost averaging always seems to win, and you can't go wrong by consistently investing and then investing more aggressively once you have sales like a stock market crash or something like that where you're getting stocks for better deals. Then you simply buy more than normal in those situations to combat the other times that you purchase stocks at a higher price. So that's my thoughts on me purchasing things and the whole idea of a recession right now. I'm just going forward and I'm sort of enjoying this bull run right now, but I'm also a little bit cautious of a recession or a crash, but still I'm investing and continuing as normal. So back onto the update of my gains and losses for the day. As you can see with VOO, we gained 2%. That's 2% is actually a really good day for VOO. And as you can see, I got $617 in gains. And in total, we are at minus 7.15% or 24.28 for VOO. That is so far my biggest loss in terms of my major holdings right now. And then Microsoft for today is up 0.59%. I actually bought some yesterday, so that's already a nice 0.59% on yesterday's purchase. So that's $110, and in total we are 15.44% above the market in gains, and that is $24.94, which is actually very significant. And then finally we have Tesla, which skyrocketed today. We got a nice 5.19% in gains, which is $323, and in total we are at a 1.09% gain, which is $70.74. So that's pretty much my update for today. And if you enjoyed this video and you like watching videos like these, please make sure to smash that like button. Drop a like on the video because it really helps me out and introduces my content to other people in the recommended feed. And if you would like to begin investing, please check out my referral links for Robinhood and Webull. If you sign up with those links, you'll get some free stocks. And as always, anything that I say in these videos is not to be considered financial advice. It is simply just me sharing my thoughts and opinions. But I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you have a fantastic weekend.